Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide iMessage conversations. All right, I would like for you to know that Apple right here or your iPhone cannot completely hide or password lock individual iMessage conversations. However, you can use several built-in workarounds to keep your chats private and out of sight. So the easiest ones, you can filter unknown senders. The second one is by hiding your notifications and alerts. But the third method is by using a temporary hide workaround. So this is what we're going to do right now. So to do a temporary hide, you would need to delete the chat first. So for example, this one, swipe right or swipe left. Now tap on delete, delete. Once that's done, if you want to retrieve it, you need to go ahead and go to edit right here and tap on show recently deleted. Okay, so just tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on the message again, and then just tap on recover right here. Tap on recover, wait a bit, tap on done. Now you go ahead and enter a text right here again. And then if you want to hide it, well, just go ahead and delete it once more. Okay, delete, delete. There you go. Now recover it again, go to recently deleted, recover, recover, recover. Now, messages are permanently erased from the recently deleted folder after 30 days, so do keep that in mind. But that's just basically it. That is how you hide iMessage conversations. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.